Welcome YouTube enthusiast. Do you want to learn the method of generating multiple ID cards like this one with a single click? Stick around because today we are diving into the world of automation with a tutorial on creating automatic ID cards using MS Excel.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So this is the data that I will use to generate automatic ID card in which I have the registration number of the student, student name, father name, degree, department, campus, email ID, picture and the barcode. To make an ID card, first I am going to create a layout. I am going to apply a thick border around it. So now you can see that I have prepared a basic layout for the ID card in which at the top I can write the name of the institute. So I will select these rows and then I will merge and center align it, and here I will write the name of the institute. I'm going to write the Chartered University of Pakistan. I'm going to select it and bold it, increase its font size. After this, I will select the lowest three rows and I will merge them and center align them. And here I will write the address of the university or any institute. I am going to bold it and increase its font size a little bit. Now I am going to fill this cell with the help of navy blue color and change the font color to white. Similar formatting will be done for the address. Now I am going to write the particulars that I want to display at this ID card. For example, I want to write the name, father name, degree, registration number. After this, the cell in front of them, I will select them and then I will select the option merge across. I will select these headings and then indent to the right. Adjust the cell so that all the information is displayed. I will select this portion of the ID card and apply border to it. Now you can see that my basic layout is prepared and now I have to fetch information from that particular list of various students. So first I have to create a drop down button so that I can switch between different students using that drop down button. I will write ID and then in front of the ID I will create the drop down list. For this purpose I will go to the data tab and then I will go to the data validation. Here I will select the list and the source of the list will be provided from the sheet 1 registration number. So I will select all the registration number and then I will press OK. After creating the drop down list, I am just formatting it to make it bold so that it is easy to display and I can switch between easily, and I will also apply a border around it. Now it's time to get information from the list and I will use the VLOOKUP function to get the information such as the name, father name, degree and the registration number. For this purpose, I will write in this cell equal VLOOKUP bracket start, and first I will select the lookup value, that is the ID number, and then I will put comma, and after this I have to provide the table array. So I will go to the sheet 1, I will select the whole table. After selecting the table array, then I have to give the column index. So comma, and as you know that I have to give the name, and the name is actually present in the second column. So the column index number for the student name is 2. After this I will write comma, and for the exact match I will write 0 and I will close this bracket and press enter. So now you can see that as I change the number from the drop down lists, the name is automatically changing. But not only the name, I also want the information such as the father name, degree and the registration number. So for that purpose, I'm going to use the same formula, and therefore I'm going to copy this formula and I will use it for writing the father name. For example, to write the father name, I will go to this cell and here I will paste this formula, and then I will go to the sheet 1 and I will see that the column index number is 3 for the father's name. So therefore, in this formula, I will only change the column index number to 3 and then simply press enter. And similar will be done with the rest of the information. Like for the degree, I can see that the degree is present in the fourth column. So I will write 4 in the place of column index number and press enter. And registration number is present in the first column. So I will write 1 and press enter. I will left align it. I will select all the information, make it bold, indent to the right, and there you have it. Now, if I switch between different students, all the information is changing correspondingly. I will select this section of the ID card and fill it to white. The top section is also filled white, and the lower portion is also filled as white. Now I will tell you how I have created this code number and then I have generated the barcode from it. First I am going to delete this. I will go to this first cell and here I will write equal RAND between bracket start 10,000 comma 50,000 and then close this bracket and press enter. So this function actually give any random number between the range that I have provided from 10,000 to 50,000. This will be a kind of secret code for this student. Then I will simply double click on the bottom right corner to generate random codes for all the other students. Once I have created all these codes, I will select them and apply a specific type of font, that is the code 39. I will increase its font size, and now you can see that the barcode has been generated. The link to download the code 39 is given in the description. You can go to the description at the end of the video and can easily download and install it in your PC. Now after creating the barcode, it's time to insert them into the ID cards. And I am going to insert them in this section of the ID card. So first I will select all the cells and I will merge them. After this, I am going to use the same function that I have used to fetch the name, father name and the other information. Therefore, I am going to copy this formula. After copying the formula, I will go to the sheet 1 and I will see that the column index number for this barcode is 9. I will paste this formula and in the column index number I will write 9 and then press enter. So you can see that it is giving me only the code number. To change this code number to barcode, I will select it and the font type is changed to code 39. I'll increase its size. So now you can see that we have added the barcode. After adding the barcode, it's time to add the picture using the image lookup. To create the image lookup, first we have to create the named range. For this purpose, I'll go to the formula tab and here I'll go to the name manager and here I will select new. In the named range window, I can give any name to this named range. For example, I will write ID image, but you cannot add any spaces between the named range. After this, I will write the formula here. I will write equal index bracket start. I will go to the sheet 1 and here I will select all the cells that contain the pictures. I'll put comma and write match. bracket start, I'll go to the sheet 3, select the cell in which I have the ID, comma, and again I'll go to the sheet 1, and here I will select all the cells that contain the IDs. I'll close the first bracket of index and second bracket of match and then simply click OK. Now our named range with ID image name is created. I will simply close it. After creating the named range, I'll go to the sheet 1 and I will select the cell that contains the picture, and here make sure that you select the cell, not the picture, and then copy it with the help of command Ctrl C. I'll go to the sheet 3 and here in this sheet I'll right click it and I'll go to the paste special. In the paste special, I'll go to the last option, that is the paste linked picture. After pasting it as a linked picture, I will adjust it to the ID card and adjust its size. Now if I select this picture, you can see that in the formula bar the path of this picture is given. I am going to delete it, and here I will write equal and the named range that I have created, that is the ID image. So I will double click it to select it and then simply press enter. So now if I switch between different students, you can see that the picture as well as all the other information is being changing correspondingly. Now if we want to take the printout, I will select this ID card and press Ctrl P. And in the printer setting, I will select the print selection, and here you go. You can take the printout of this ID card. And there you have it. You have just learned how to harness the power of MS Excel to effortlessly generate ID cards. Imagine the time you will save and the precision you will achieve with this automated process. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for joining me today and happy automating.